Good morning, students. So this is the third chapter. We are starting third chapter, health in a social context. Okay. So here, the first topic which I have already taught you, if you remember long back, is about disease, illness, and sickness. But I will go over it once more because it's been a long time. So what is the meaning of disease, illness, and sickness? A normal person who is not in healthcare, who is not in the hospital, working in the hospital, will not know the difference between disease, illness, and sickness. They will feel that disease is the same as illness and it is the same as sickness. But as a medical sociologist, as a healthcare worker, you should know the difference between a disease, illness, and sickness. In simple words, I will tell you. First, we will see what is illness. I will give you an example. Suppose you are coming to me and telling, "Sir, I am not feeling well." That is illness. When an individual does not feel well, that is illness. Okay, you are having headache, you are having body pain. So you are coming and telling me I am not feeling well. That is illness because you feel abnormal, you have some symptoms. Okay, then I will tell you go to the doctor and check what you have. So when you go to the doctor checks the symptoms and then he decides that you have typhoid. So that means it is a disease. So the diagnosis made by the doctor based on whatever symptoms you tell him, that is the disease. And once you have a disease, if you have typhoid, then the doctor tells you you take rest for 2 weeks, and then you go home and say I'm feeling very tired, so I cannot go to the hospital, I have to take rest in my house. So 2 weeks you take rest. So that means you are playing the role of a sick person. We already studied in the first chapter how Parsons told about the sick role. Sick role means a person is entitled to take rest when they are sick, and their normal role they need not play. So that is called as sickness. When you play a sick role in the society, that is sickness. So hope you understood the three different things. Illness is what you feel as an individual. So it is a subjective term. It may be a mental problem that you have. You may feel depressed, you may feel emotionally upset, or it could be a physical problem like headache, it could be fever, or all these symptoms that you feel, that is illness. So they are self reported. When you identify that you have a problem, then you self report it, that is illness. So self reported mental or physical symptoms is the illness. Then you go to the doctor, it becomes a objective diagnosis. So based on your symptoms, you are diagnosed by the doctor to have a specific health problem or a condition, medical condition, which is diagnosed, which can be treated and cured. So that becomes a disease. So when an illness is diagnosed as a known health problem based on previous experience, that is disease. Finally, because you are ill and because you are sick, you go home and take rest and you take the role of a sick person, that is sickness. Okay, so here we see that in some forms of illness, the person may not even go and see a doctor. For example, if you have headache, unless it is very severe, you won't go to the doctor. So some illnesses we don't, it does not become a disease. But if the illness is very persistent, if you have headache every day for 10 days, then you go to the eye doctor to check your eye, then you go to the neurologist to take a scan, and then if they diagnose a disease, then it becomes a disease. Sometimes illness can lead to a disease where you do not play a sick role. For example, you have headache, then the doctor tells, after some tests they tell you have migraine, and they prescribe some medicines. But you come every day to college or you work every day without taking leave, without taking a social sick role. That means even though you are ill, even though you are having a disease, you do not take the sick role. So that is the three different aspects of illness, disease, and sickness. Hope you understood. It's a simple concept, but there are three different things. Hope you understood the difference. Thank you. And the second topic is social model of health. This I have given the notes in the topic, but already the concept has been explained in the second year video. So you can see the video in the second year this thing. Next topic we'll see social factors in health and disease. Okay, thank you.